我把我意识开着，然后等一下要是有人进来，我就，但是它前面也会这个也会那个是吧？ Hello everybody, this is Sunny Gong from Maysky Stainless Steel Company. Now, let me introduce our company. This is our company catalog, Stainless Steel Company. Yeah. For our company, our main business is for the stainless steel welded tube production and export. Yeah, or we never developed the China market. All the business is for the export. Yes. So here, let me introduce our factory. For the stainless steel machine, we have the welding machine. Welding machine about 72 knives, and the polishing machine is 18 knives, and there also have the 9 packing machine. Totally have the workers about 93 person, and for the management is 12 person, and the purchase person is 6 person. Yeah. Actually, our factory is established in 2001. Now almost 20 years old. For our stainless steel capacity is for the round tube is 1,600 tons per month, and for the square tube is 1,400 tons per month. Yeah, this is the round tube and the square. Yeah, this is for the application. Yeah, for the material we make is 201, 304, and 316. The standard is ASTM A554. This is for the America and Asia market standard. For the Europe is EN 1029219 and EN 10296. This two standard is for the Europe market. For the round tube, the diameter is from 6 to 201 thickness is like this. For the length usually for the Asian market is 1.8 meter per piece and 6.1 meter per piece. But for the Europe and American market is 6 meter. Most countries need 6 meter per piece. Sure, it's according to the customer final request. For the surface, we have the mirror finish and polish 180, 240, 320, 400, 800, 600, and mirror. Yeah, for the mirror, some customer may ask us what's the difference between the 600 and 800. Actually, there are two differences. One is the surface polish. Mirror, that means it will be much polished than the 600. It like a mirror, so we call it a mirror finish. Yes, another difference is the price. The mirror polish, because he need polishing many times, so the cost is much higher. For the package, yes, different countries have the different request. Normally, for the Europe and the America market, the customer always requests bigger bottles, and per bottle about 300 to 500 kg per bottle. And for Europe, they always request 2 belts. America requests 1 belt. Yeah, delivery time. Our normal delivery time is 35 to 40 days. Yeah, for the sample, if you need a sample, we can send to you. This is for the size, square, 10 by 10, like this. Thickness. Normally, export thickness is only the 1 mm and 1.2 mm and 1.5 mm and 2 mm, 3 mm. Some customer also request 4 mm and 5 mm like this. Yeah. This is the production process here. This customer visiting us. This is the welding line. Welding line totally 72 lines. This is for the policy here, policy line here. This is also for the policy line. The policy line. This is the finished policy. We are making the packing. For the packing, normally we use a plastic bag for each tube and then pack in a big bottles like this. Yeah, this is big bottles. Now this is the photo. Our QC person is checking the quality, the diameter, thickness, length, and straightness. Here I'll talk about the straightness. Actually, straightness is very important because especially for the small size, for example, 9.5. Sometimes if during the working, if the worker not very careful, it may be not straight finally. So our company will be pay more attention to the straightness. This is green color. Green color we export to the Europe too much. This is for the tube label, bottle label like this. Yeah, check. This is a loading photo. This is for the exhibition. For the exhibition this year, we will go to the Netherlands. Here is it. Check here. Our company will join this exhibition. If you come to join us, please let us know because we have some free ticket we can show you. Don't forget it, okay? Okay, check here. The time is from November 30 to December 2. This is the date. Later, if you need our booth details, please send us the email. The email here. Send us the email. Yeah, please. Okay, now I have finished our company. Now let's introduce our products, okay? For the products, we may make the material is 201, okay, 201, 304, and 316. To be honest, for the 201 is normally used in the Asia and the South America market. And for the Europe market, they use very less. Just some countries such as Russia, they use some, but not too much. Ukraine, they also use. Normally, they use the size 40 by 40. The thickness is 1.0 thickness, like that. Sometimes they go to use for the stainless steel furniture, like this. Yes. And for 304, South America use too much, and also Europe market use too much. And for the South America, if they use the 304, then they will be very careful. 我都不知道讲啥了。Oh, let me show you the sample. This is for the 201. This is for the mirror finish. You can check here. Yeah, let's check the 304. Yeah, this is 304. The surface is 320 policy. Actually, this surface used in the Europe more. For example, the Spanish and Germany, like this. Poland, they use this surface more. For the Europe, they don't use the 600. Yeah. But in South America, they use many 600 policy. Give me one 600. This is for the 600. 50.8 by 1.2. Yeah, okay. Except the 304 and except the 304 201, we also have the, this is for the 800. You can see, now you can see what's the difference between the 600 and the 800. 800, the policy is much measure, yeah, than 600. Also, for the price, it's also more expensive because it needs many times to policy. Yeah, you can check here. Except the round tube, square tube, and we also make the slot tube like this. I show you. Yes. Okay. For the sample, some customer ask us, oh sorry, not this question. Sorry. And some for the sample, if you need the sample, please send us the email. We can send you the sample. The sample is free, but you can you can tell us your DHL number, FedEx number, account number. Then we send you by DHL or FedEx. It's much easier. For the sample, we can be ready in 3 to 5 days. Yeah. If you need the sample, you can send us the email. Our email here. This is our email. For the list today, our company actually load 7 containers because you know China yesterday, 2 days, just these 2 days, China have very bad news. The government have canceled the export support. Now China government started to charge 13% the export taxi. That means the price will be much higher. Yes. Yeah, so everybody should pay more attention to this China government policy. Yes. Yes. Yeah, now as some customer ask for what's the difference between the 600 and the 800. Now I talk again here. Is 600. Now here is 800. 800 with the 600, 2 difference. The first difference is the surface. It's much measure. The second difference is the cost. It's much expensive because it need policy many times than 600. Yes, that's the difference. Some customer ask the nickel in policy 600 and 800 is a difference. No, actually the nickel is according to the material. For example, 201, the nickel is 1% at least. For 304, the nickel is 8% at least. Yeah, it's not the for the nickel there is no different. I show you now. This is for the 304, the nickel is 8%. For 201 is 1%. It's 600 and 800. There's no difference. There's no difference about the material. It's just the surface difference and the cost difference. Okay. Now I think most customer must know that especially from this month, the shipping charge is crazy. Yeah, very crazy, very terrible. And so normally some European customers, they request the open top container. Actually, in my mind, there's no need to use such containers because open top container, the charge is about 30% higher than the normal charge. Yeah. So we suggest to use the normal container. Yeah, because budgeting at least days, it's difficult days, you know. Yeah, so we should jump our cost like that. Okay. So is there any question from our customer? If you have any question, you just send us the question, then I can answer. Oh, some customer ask about the delivery time. Normally, the delivery time is 35 to 40 days. But if you urgent, you can tell us. Then we will talk to our production manager, because we are very flexible. We can adjust it. Yes. Sometimes customer ask for the payment terms. Actually, for the payment terms, I think we are flexible. Yes, but we need to talk by emails about the payment terms. Yes. Is there any question about our company? Yeah, welcome to join us. Welcome to join us. This is Maysky. I am standing on Maysky Stainless Steel Company. We man make the export business. We never develop the China market. Yes. So actually our quality is good. I can say this because we only make the export business. We don't make the China market, you know. China market, the quality standard is different, very different with the export quality. Yes. So if I think one group, one team, if they make the China market and also make the export market, I think it's not easy. It's difficult because this is two standard, two level about the quality. Yeah, I see some older friends coming to join us. Welcome to join us. Yeah, we are very glad we meet again. If you come to Netherlands exhibition, please come to visit us. We will. If you need the ticket, let me know. I will show you. This is my email. This is my email. Send me the email, then I will show you the free ticket. Yeah, free ticket here. Some customer know, some other friends ask us about the stainless steel fitting. Yeah, we also make some stainless steel fitting. It's all about the handrail. It's all the handrail fittings. 拿那个说明书过来。配件呢？配件呢？ this is fittings. For the fittings, we export lots of the elbow, special to the America, North America, no, South America. South America use too much. Europe not too much. I think South America use too much. We had export lots. We can load with the stainless steel tube together in the container, so it's much easier. Yeah. This is the elbow connect, and this is cover. The ball, the gold ball, like this. Sure. OK。 Okay, now have the customer ask us about our surface. Now we show you again. First the mirror finish surface here. We have the mirror finish. This is mirror finish. Mirror finish, that means no any policy process. Just this is the stainless steel color. So we call it mirror finish. And this is this is 304 mirror finish. This is 201 mirror finish. Okay, and 600。你这不是有一个抛光亮光的吗？这个哪一个？600. For the South America, many customers request for the 400 and 600. In their mind, they think the price is different. Now I can tell you, actually the surface cost is the same for the 400 and 600. So actually you no need to request the 400 again. You just request to 600 directly. For my customer, every customer I tell them for 600 and 400 the same cost, price cost. So you can request the 600 directly. Yeah, it's much policy. Okay, now it's mirror. I think because the cost is very high. Actually, we export not too much. This is to be honest. Yeah, just to show you. And now we show you the 180. 哪一个180号的？This is 180. 180 used in the Europe. Some Europe customer also use, and it's very popular in the South America. Yes, South America use too much. Okay, we show you the 320 grade. Okay, 320 normally is used too much in the Europe. Most Europe like this surface. Yeah. Special for this size, the size is 42.4 by 2.0 mm. Then this size is very popular in the Europe. For the Europe hand drill, they always use 42.4 and 38 and 31.5. 31 size is very popular in the Europe. Yes, some customer also request 37. 37. This size is also very popular in the Europe. Yes. Okay. So, do you have any other question? Yeah. Time is so fast. Half an hour will pass soon. Okay. Now, if you have any question, please send us the email. This is our email. Okay. Yeah. Yes. This is our email. Please send us the email. Please join us. This is our Netherlands exhibition. The time is from November to December. Yeah. Okay, if you need the ticket, please let us know. We can show you the free ticket. Free ticket, my friend, free ticket, 3 times for important things, okay? Okay. So, have any question? Okay, if no question, it's time to say bye-bye. Have a nice time. Have a nice weekend. Yeah, the next, from tomorrow, China will have 5 days holidays. Yes. So if you have any question, you can send us the email today. Yes, also, I tell you a news. Next month, the shipping charge will raise too much. If you have the container, you need to load in China. You just push your supplier push them very fast because next month the shipping charge will raise at least $1,000 per container. Remember it. Next month will raise up $1,000 per container. Yes, it's terrible. Yeah, no, it's a terrible word. Yeah. Okay, so it's time to say bye bye. Bye bye, everybody. Bye bye.